helpful. Yeah. Oh, it's the worst. I need scissors. I'm pretty sure what you've done is shove the creases down my hand.
No,
You fucking have. You know you have.
no, I haven't.
Fucking hell, this is terrible.
I haven't got to mob it yet. You've just undone more stuff. I think it's going to need more spray. Oh, so now you've shoved it to my side.
That bit's complete. Do you peel it back up and try and force them down my
Oh,
hand?
so now you've messed up my side.
I haven't, my side.
You
No.
have. I stuck that down and you've undone it, you idiot.
Yeah, because you shoved too many creases my way.
Oh, so yeah, but you've just done the same to my end.
Stretch now. Oh, my knees hate me. What's that? That's the pipe. Big problems there. Come back off again. Just gonna get some stretch. God damn, this is tough, man. There.
Here's my end.
No, not as bad as mine. You got the easy end. I'll give you the smooth bit.
You did not.
Best part is for covering this and it's under the fucking cupboard anyway.
No, but you still want it to look good.
When you say to me about the laptop,
Uh-huh.
when are you going to find out about the laptop?
This week, I reckon. He said 3 to 5 days to look at it. And then he'll phone me. Well, he said 3 to 5 working days, actually.
Do you think that's any easier than last time?
Both equally as bad.
Difficult. The last time we tried it from the top going down, still tons of creases. So we tried from the bottom up, and it's still the same. Crease fest. Tip a B, small bits at a time, and don't rush. Nice and slow. Right.
It's not too bad.
Not too bad.
Where's the scissors? Pass the scissors.
Fuck off.
You can see, look, Emma, look at the creases there from like
It's terrible.
where it's pushed in. You need to be doing some stretching.
Wow.
No, the front.
Yeah, you've nicked the fucking scissors. I'm in the middle of work and you just steal everything.
Well, because I'll finish mine, so I need to trim up.
Oh, yeah, 'cause you pushed all the creases down here.
No, wait, look back on that video and you'll see. Once I pushed them to you, you pushed them to me.
Still talking.
Still talking. See, look at all them creases I had to deal with.
No, you cut that off there because the card comes in there. Where that little lip of rubber is, that's where the wall sits. You can't see it anyway. Cabinets over all this. It's only our OCD that's causing us problems here. All we had on there before was carpet, so now it's got sound deadening and carpet. Should be a good noise reduction. Still can't believe we found that hand towel in the wall. And I don't think that was done intentionally. I think it was leaking at some point. The guy that we bought the van off stuffed it up there. It's probably been there for a long time. And then he's come round, fixed the window, and I don't think he realised that it was the other bit that was leaking. And filled it all back in and forgot about the towel.
Not bad.
Get your own tools.
I think you need to sort your creases out down there.
Shh. I'm trying to get this off.
Your creases.
Well, I've been trying, but you shouldn't have to.
Well,
Like
I'll
do
cut
that.
this and then you sort
I
your
need the
creases.
scissors for my creases. You crease me up. It's because the old glue needs a bit of fucking Scooby-Doo.
No, you need glue and then pull them out.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Do
Aye,
as
bossy
you're told
boots.
and it'll look like mine.
Do as you're told. Oh, think for the glue.
I think put that on there.
Oh, I think it's good. It's hard spraying it under there, isn't it? I've done that bit. Don't touch that.
Oh,
That had a gazillion creases. That's the best it's getting. I was fighting with that for hours.
there's some that way.
Oh, there we go. Ta-da! Now, just got to get the wall on next. That's exciting. Get out of the front room. Stop me getting in any more trouble. And then we've got to do the window frame. So we've got an insert that goes in there. Carpet that. Finishes that off nicely. And what else? That's it. That'll be... Oh my god.
Oh, and I want to cover that bit there.
Oh yeah, the front arm. So we've done that
And that'll
side.
be the whole lot done.
Yeah. And we can do ceiling. Woohoo!
Well, I haven't got to say that to you.
Oh yeah, we had a little told Bacon not to do it. And she done that and cut
I
it.
think you're such a
No,
liar.
I did it.
I think you find I wasn't here when you did that.
Yeah. And it's going to bug me because everything else looks so good. I don't think I can live with that little join I've done there. I'm going to have to take it all off. See what carpet we've got left.